Hey guys, what's up? It's RazorFrain here again, back in the how to make Unturned in Unity. And today we are going to make a UI in the lower left corner of our screen. Like in Unturned, it shows it. So we are going to make one. So in order to do that, we will have to right click here and create a new UI canvas. Alright, now zoom in, click this 2D button. It just makes it easier to deal with canvases. Then once we're in there, we can right click on the canvas, create a new why am I not finding it? A new image. And this we will put I don't know, width 125 by 15, I guess. Sure. So let's drag this down to the lower left corner. Alright. Then after we do that, let's go down here and let's see. Image. Oh yeah, we need to put a sprite. So source image. Let's just put this I don't know, let's just open Paint on your computer because it's a lot faster than GIMP. So Paint. Oh, look at that. Sure, 512 by 15, I guess. Alright. File, save as. Save it as a PNG under the assets, textures. Bar, I guess. Save. Close out of that. Going back into here. Select the sprite. Be a bar. Oh, wait, no. Before we do that, we gotta go into the project. Assets, textures. Then we need to go to the SPARD. We need to change it to a sprite. So sprite, 2D and UI. And we can change this to like 512, I guess. Compressed. Apply. Cool. Then let's go back to the image. Select a sprite. And the bar should, yep, bar. Alright. Then image type, filled. And we can do horizontal for the fill effect that we get in game. I want to make this a little bit wider, like 175 maybe. Yeah, that looks better than if we, yeah. I like that a little better. Maybe a teeny bit smaller, if I can make up my mind. Alright, so with this you can fill it, or you could do vertical, fill it up and down. Vertical, radial. There's all different kinds of fill weight. So I'm just gonna keep this at horizontal though. And then I'm going to make this my hunger. I don't know what color. Green. Alright, yeah, hunger's green. So I'm going to color it sort of a greenish color. Alright, then I'm going to duplicate it with Control D. Control D. And move it up a teeny bit. And I'm going to make that. Wait, no, first I'm going to do this. Make this hunger bar. Then select this, the copy of it, and make it thirst bar. Alright, then after that's done, hunger bar and thirst bar. I'm going to make the thirst bar blue because water's blue. Duplicate that. That's not duplicated. Alright, yep, duplicate that. Drag it up a little, and I'm going to make this one red. Just because health. Like that. So now whenever you fill them, I'm actually going to put a background on it. So I'm going to be like Control D. First I'm going to make this health bar. Hey, I actually spelled health right. make this sort of a, I don't know what color should the background be, like grayish, I guess. Background. Okay, whatever, I'm just gonna leave it like that. Control D. And put this to the same thing as the thirst bar. And then duplicate that. Duplicate that. And put that the same place as the hunger bar. And then it'll be in front of it unless you move these above. There we go. Alright, now when you turn down the fill amount, oh, that's the background. That wouldn't really do much. You've got sort of a grayish color behind you. So as you can see, there's a little nice sort of looking UI type thing. Now I'm just going to duplicate one of these backgrounds, Control D, and just, whoop, didn't want to do that, sort of make it go around all of them. Move this before all those. Save that. I'm going to change this sort of a darker gray. Alright, cool. Then when we go into the game, got a little UI. It's pretty cool. Alright, now for the scripting of the UI. So let's start it. Start out. Alright, so assets, scripts. Let's make a new script. Create folder and call this, or not folder, why did I create a folder? I have no clue. Create C# script and call this player stats, I guess. Open that. Reload all. Yes. Player stats. And first thing, just delete this, you know, the usual. And up here, we're going to put using Unity engine dot UI, because we're going to be messing around with the UIs. And then we're going to create a variable. We're going to create an image variable. So we're going to do public image, that's health bar, then that, and then another one, public image hunger bar, and then public image thirst bar. Alright, cool. And then after that, I'm just going to do, I will make a update function, public void or method update. Alright, then in that update method, I will make a set stat bars, I guess I could call it. And then I'm going to create a public void set stat bars. Alright. And then in that, I am going to do health bar dot fill amount is equal to health, or I probably should have done this. I need to make a few more variables, so I'm just going to do health divided by 100. So, and it's saying that I have an error right there because I have no variable called health. So public void health is equal to 100f. Oh, void. I keep on doing void instead of float. I have no clue why. Float health is equal to 100f. And then same thing with hunger and thirst. Public float thirst is equal to 100. And then public float hunger is equal to 100. Alright, I got those. No more errors. I'm just going to copy this from the basic zombie AI. Then put it in here. Because it's faster. Because I was about to make the same exact thing. Alright, cool. And then I'm going to do health bar, hunger bar dot fill amount is equal to hunger divided by 100. The same thing with thirst. Thirst bar dot fill amount is equal to thirst divided by 100. Alright, so we got that, and then I'm going to make another one, stat drop, same exact thing. So stat drop, make the stat drop, and I'll just do public void stat drop, public void stat drop, and just put in there the same, basically the same thing that's in here. Control C, Control V. Yeah, that's the good thing about the games. You get farther and farther, you can copy and paste more and more. Make that, and then do check stats. Make a method public void check stats. Check stats. Copy and paste it. So save it. So that should work. I mean, I wouldn't see why it shouldn't. Let's try it. Alright, so game, play, loads, and does it work? I'm gonna click player. Oh, I never assigned the script to anything. And I never, yeah. Oh, that was not very smart of me. Alright, player stats, health bar, health bar, hunger bar, thirst bar, save that and play. Now it should work, and it works. Cool. So then once the health and hunger get to 0, the health should start going down. And will it? It does. Awesome. I'm just gonna put these at like 1 for now, 2. So we got the UI. That's all I wanted to do today. So, yeah, that's all for now, and I will see you next time in Unity. Bye-bye.